Welcome back to Aliexpress Picks. If you love finding affordable fishing gear that delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 3 fishing reels that have been getting attention from anglers around the world. Whether you're targeting freshwater species, casting for snakehead, or heading out for saltwater action, there's something here for you. Make sure to stay until the end because our number 1 pick combines lightweight design. Starting off our list is the Noeby Infinite Spinning Fishing Reel, available in sizes ranging from 2,500 all the way up to 10,000. This reel is designed for anglers who need versatility and strength, especially when fishing in saltwater environments. One of its standout features is the powerful drag system, offering up to 45 pounds of drag pressure. That's plenty of stopping power when battling larger fish. The aluminum construction adds durability while helping resist corrosion from saltwater exposure. The reel also features smooth line management and a sturdy handle design that provides confidence during long fights. With multiple size options available, anglers can choose the model that best suits their target species and fishing style. If you're looking for a tough spinning reel that can handle demanding conditions without a premium price tag, the Noeby Infinite is definitely worth checking out. Taking the second spot is the Haibo 2020 Overload Baitcasting Reel. This reel is built for anglers who enjoy precise casting and want greater control over lure presentation. Featuring an 8-ball bearing plus roller bearing setup, the Overload is designed to provide smooth operation and reliable performance. It's available with multiple gear ratio options, allowing you to choose between power-focused retrieves or faster line pickup depending on your fishing needs. One of the key highlights is its long casting capability, making it a popular option for targeting species like snakehead and other aggressive predators. The reel's ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue during extended fishing sessions, while the braking system assists with improved casting accuracy. For anglers ready to step into the world of bait casting or upgrade their current setup, the Haibo Overload offers a strong combination of performance and value. Claiming the top spot today is the Handing Elite Spinning Reel. This reel stands out thanks to its lightweight construction, smooth line-laying performance, and user-friendly design. The Handing Elite features a maximum drag of 6 kilograms and a 5.2-to-1 gear ratio, making it suitable for a wide variety of freshwater fishing situations. Its slow descent spool design helps improve line management, reducing tangles and contributing to longer, smoother casts. Another major advantage is the reel's comfortable feel in hand. The lightweight build means less fatigue during long days on the water, while the smooth retrieve makes every cast and retrieve enjoyable. For anglers seeking a reliable spinning reel that balances performance, comfort, and affordability, the Handing Elite earns our number 1 position. And that's our countdown of 3 impressive fishing reels currently available on Aliexpress. Which one would you choose for your next fishing adventure? The powerful Noeby Infinite, the precision-focused Haibo Overload, or the lightweight Handing Elite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Aliexpress finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next